Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily backup your HubSpot account. So the first thing that you want to do is go to this site called probackup.io. It's an amazing website for backupping various applications, and one of them is HubSpot, and you're gonna have a link also down below in the description. So here you want to click get started, and then when you're gonna be here, you want to simply find HubSpot and then try for free. Here I'm going to choose the email and right here, log in with HubSpot. I'm going to choose the account. Okay. Connect application. And then select the route that you would like to backup. Full HubSpot account, continue. Now we have also options to connect it to your Google Drive account if you want to. I'm going to click skip for now and start first backup. Now, important thing to know is that it's going to take few hours to backup everything. But what I really like about probackup.io that you got a lot of things that you can actually backup from HubSpot. So here, as you can see, you're gonna have the contacts, the companies, tickets, deals, products, contact list, quotes, forms. So you can see a lot. And in the status, you're gonna have like how many deals you have, products, companies. And let's say when I go to contacts, you can see right now that all of these are pulling the data, even the products, line items. So it's going to take few hours to have everything backed up. So that's important to know. Now, when everything is going to be backed up, you're gonna have find a list right here, and then if you want, you can easily copy it back to your HubSpot account. So that's how pretty much it works. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. But that's pretty much how it works, and this is how you can back up your HubSpot account. So you're gonna have all the data here, and you're good to go. So have a great day, and goodbye.